ngaphansi kwamanyuswa traditional community. Isitifiketi lesi esesayinwe isilo ngiyacela ukuthi ngisifunde egameni leNgonyama ngaphambi kokuthi isilo siqhubeke nomsebenzi waso. Kufundeka kanje: Certificate of installation. By the powers vested in me in terms of Section 18(1) of the KwaZulu-Natal Traditional Leadership and Governance Act 5 of 2005, I hereby install Mbuso Praise God Ngcobo as Inkosi of the Amanyuswa Traditional Community in the district of Ugu. His Majesty King Lisuzulu kaZwelithini. Isitifiketi sokugcotshwa ngamandla egunywa enginikelwe yona isigaba 18 somthetho wezobuholi bomdabu nokuphatha KwaZulu-Natal, umthetho 5 ka-2005. Ngigcoba uMbuso Praise God Ngcobo njengenkosi yesizwe samanyuswa kumkhandlu Ugu, isilo samabandla onke, iNgonyama yesizwe samaZulu. Bayede. Wena wendlovu, wena wendlovu, bayede. Isilo sedlulisa isihlangu